How to upload to Spotify or post to Spotify. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can upload or post to Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Basic thing over here is that this is not about uploading those local files from your phone to Spotify. This is about uploading music as an artist or as a musician on Spotify so that other people can also listen. So how do you do this? It's very simple. For this we're going to open our browser. Just go to artists.spotify.com, artists artists.spotify.com. I'll make sure to drop a direct link below. Over here, just log into your normal Spotify account, right? You can see I'm logged into my normal Spotify account over here, and then you'll be able to see all the sorts of details. If you're on PC, you'll find the Get Access button from the top right. If you are on mobile, you have to tap the three dots option here. You'll find this option called Get Access, so make sure to tap on it. Over here you have to select whether you're an artist or manager or a label team member. If you're a member, you can select that, or if you're an artist yourself, you have to claim an artist profile by just tapping on artist or manager here. Once you've done that, it will just take you to this page where you can simply go ahead and then basically claim an artist profile. If you already have music on Spotify, you can get access to stats, pitch traits to our editors and more. So you can just go ahead and then tap on the continue option. You can just go ahead and select you'll use this to log into Spotify for artists, so just tap on yes. So now you can simply go ahead and then search for an artist name that you would like to claim. So now you can just go ahead and basically enter your name if you are also there over there. Once you basically enter your name over here, you should be able to find your artist name pop up. I'm just using a random one over here. You can simply claim that profile, and then after you claim that profile, you'll be able to upload music to Spotify. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically upload to Spotify. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.